Now let stop. It's a data types. So it can have int, float, string, etc. So now my list 101 ename and salary something like 99.99. So int, float, string, etc. So print. Control S. I click run. Cool. This one. Now index. So my list. I can even access like my list 2 are 0. Zero. Zeroth index. So what I have? I have employee 1. How was that? So I'll get this my list 2 of 0, my list 2 of 1, my list 2 of 2, 1 of 1. Like this. Cool. So if I tell you my list 2 of 2, I'll get the salary. But if I give you 3, then what happens? Index out of range. That means list elements cannot be accessed out of its range. That means there is a range for this list. What is that range? 0, 1, 2. So up to 2, second element I can access. How can you access an element when you don't have it? So it is giving, I'm trying to access an element with an index which is greater than the count of elements. So it is not possible. No. After accessing, okay, now what we can do? I want to use plus okay, concatenation to create a new list which is of EXIS list. I think I should do this in a new file. Control file new and list. So vegetables. Sources. Now I want to concatenate my items list, which is a combination of both fruits list and vegetables list total. And yeah, I'm giving. So it should have both apple, banana, this, potato, tomato, whatever, all that stuff. So it's a combination of both. So elements of this list and elements of second list are concatenated and a new list is created using the plus operator. This is called concatenation. Okay. So new list. So list index. Okay, I can even say, for example, color. So red blue. Okay, simply say red blue. Now, if I say color list into 3, print, what happens? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So elements are repeated thrice. Use star operator. No, list indices. Indices is a separate topic. So list indices. Indices. What we have to do? List indices work the same way as string indices. Like list indices start with 0. 0. Yes. Number 1. If an index has a positive value, it comes from the beginning. Okay. Beginning. And if an let's answer, it comes from the end. Okay. That is right to left. So left to right. Oh. As positive integers are used to index from left, negative integers are used to index from right. So every item in the list gives two alternatives indexes. So create a list called color list with some items. Hmm. So color list half 0 is what? So this one. No, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. No, 0 equal to what? 2, 3.